What could be better than 100% vegan, nutritious coconut flour shortbread cookies as a snack with a cup of tea or coffee? No need to pause a diet during holidays because I'm here to help you get through this. I am back with the shortbread recipe made with coconut flour, a naturally grain-free, gluten-free, nut-free, low-carb, high-fiber and faintly sweet flour. A coconut flour shortbread tastes similar to a regular soft shortbread cookie with a distinct coconut flavor. These cookies make an excellent wheat-free substitute for traditional shortbreads. Trust me, you will be treated with a buttery crisp shortbread cookie that will have your taste buds singing, so keep watching till the end. Hey guys, welcome back to the Smoothies bar. Before we continue to this video, make sure to watch my video on how to make coconut milk from scratch and how to make coconut flour out of the remaining pulp. I have mentioned the link in the description box. You will be able to make these shortbread cookies once you follow those recipes. My whole food and melt-in-mouth coconut flour shortbread cookies require 6 ingredients and are light, crumbly, fast, easy, frugal and so delicious. It takes only 20 minutes to prepare these tiny biscuits. Now that I have created something fresh, let me share it with you all. Let's get started. To make this yummy coconut flour shortbread cookies, you will need 1 cup homemade coconut flour, 2 tablespoons melted coconut oil, 1/4 cup maple syrup, 1 tablespoon almond milk or coconut milk, 1 tsp vanilla extract, half tsp salt. Let's start by adding coconut flour and salt into a medium mixing bowl. Now give it a nice mix and then add the room temperature maple syrup, almond milk, melted coconut oil and vanilla extract. Mix it well with a spatula. A soft, sticky and moist cookie dough will form after about 40 seconds of combining with silicone spatula. Once done, allow it to sit at room temperature for 5 minutes. Now I am going to use parchment paper to roll the dough and cut cookies. You can give any of your favorite shape to these cookies. Using the proper proportion of fat to flour is the first step in creating coconut flour shortbread cookies with the perfect texture. If you use too little coconut oil, the cookies will be choke-worthy and it will crumble if you add too much. Traditional shortbread cookies don't call for liquid, but these shortbread do. Even for a shortbread style cookie like this one, coconut flour is incredibly absorbent and requires some additional moisture. After the first round of cookies, you can repeat the process to get more cookies and keep repeating till the dough finishes. I just love heart-shaped cookies, but I don't have a cutter, so this is my hack. Now use a parchment paper to line a single sizable cookie sheet and place aside. How pretty my cookie plate is looking. If you are using microwave, then use the convection mode and preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit, that is 180 Celsius. It will take not more than 5 minutes for this, and once done, the microwave will beep. Now we will bake the cookies for 20 minutes or until the edges are just beginning to turn golden. Be aware that the length of baking time greatly depends on the thickness of the cookies. Avoid over baking since the center will become quite dry and hard. Now for 10 minutes let them cool on the baking sheet without touching them, and because they are still soft from the heat and they will turn crispy after some time. Look at this. Everyone adores shortbread biscuits for their timeless flavor, delicate texture and limitless variety. Once you learn the basic recipe, the same cookie can be made many times over different flavors, spices, citrus zest and extracts to make countless delicious and exciting combinations. These vegan cookies have all the hallmarks of superior shortbread and they are keto friendly too. These nut-free cookies keep well in the refrigerator in cookie jars or zip-top bags for up to a week. Wow, they are crunchy, crispy, tiny biscuits. I love them. For more such healthy recipes, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get future notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Eat clean.